here's a quick little video on the new product from Counterculture DIY, Nice and Thick. This is used for the drip cups. It is a powder that you will mix in your epoxy. So I've got equal parts A and B here in my cup already. So I'm just going to take a scoop, how about that big, and drop it in there. And then I kind of fold it at first. Hopefully you can see. Just kind of fold it around to mix it together. And the easiest way that I have found is to kind of push it on the side of my cup. Kind of mash it down. And then I just mix until I get rid of all the clumps, because it does kind of clump up just a little bit. And I'm not going to add another scoop until I get rid of all the clumps, just because it's a little bit easier that way for me. I'm going to do the same thing again with another scoop. I'm going to keep adding until I get it the consistency that I want. So it's still pretty runny, so I'm going to add another scoop since I've got all my clumps out. And once I'm getting close, I try and add just a little bit at a time to get the thickness that I want. Sometimes I overdo it. Okay, so now I've got a thickness that I want, and I'm just going to take and add my colorant to it. I do add just a little bit more than I normally would because I feel like the color is not as vibrant with the thickener. And then I'm just going to take and spread it on my cup. And I still want a little bit of movement with it to get the natural drips. Or the appearance of the natural drips. So it still has just a little bit of movement. I didn't put as much of the thickener in it just because I want to get some of it to run down. And then whenever I get it where it needs to be, I'm just going to put it on my turner. And it'll stay right where it is. I don't have to worry about it continuing to run. There you have it. A perfect drip cup in less than 20 minutes. Pretty awesome.